In today's video, I am going to teach you how to monitor your website traffic in Google Analytics 4. To begin, open Google Analytics 4 and make sure you are in the correct account and property for the website you want to track. Once you are in, go to Analytics Home. This is the main dashboard, and it is designed to give you a quick snapshot of performance, along with shortcuts into deeper reports. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to confirm you are looking at the right property, because the numbers can look very similar across sites. On the home screen, click the highlighted area that takes you into the reporting section. This highlight is typically a prominent card or navigation item that guides you toward more detailed insights. Think of home as the overview and the reports area as the place where you monitor traffic more precisely. Next, in the reports area, click on Generate Leads. This is part of the Business Objectives collection, and it groups reports that are useful when your goal is to understand how people arrive, what they do, and whether they complete actions that matter to your business. Even if you are not running a lead generation campaign right now, this section still provides a helpful path to core traffic reports. From there, click on Traffic Acquisition. This is one of the most important places in GA4 for monitoring website traffic, because it focuses on how users are finding you. In this report, you can review the main channels and sources that drive visits, such as organic search, paid campaigns, referrals, and direct traffic. As you read the table, pay attention to the key metrics like users and sessions, and also engagement-related metrics, because high traffic is most valuable when visitors stay engaged. Finally, if a panel, overlay, or extra tab is open on the screen and it is getting in the way, click the small X to close it. This clears your view so you can focus on the traffic acquisition data without distractions. That covers everything you need to know.